Right. At x equal to pi by 2, find a and b. This is our question. Such a notorious one, Paul, such a notorious one. So we need to handle this. So as usual, he has given us that, he has given a statement that x is pi by 2, at x equal to pi by 2, the function is continuous. Therefore, you can write that formula. You can write the formula. Yeah, Akshay is there, right? Formula. When the function is continuous at x equal to pi by 2 ds, the mathematical definition of the continuity we have told very clearly. We should write like this one: limit x tends to pi by 2 minus f of x. We should write in the limit function. Please, some of them they are not writing function; they are writing limit x tends to pi by 2 minus. Please see that I made a note of it also. Please take care of that, dears. Then next is limit x tends to pi by 2 plus f of x and f of pi by 2. Yes. So these are the three things we need to do now. If I want to discuss the continuity of function, if all the three of them are equal, then I can outrightly say that the function is continuous at x equal to pi by 2. Right, friends? So at x equal to pi by 2, what is the function value? My f of pi by 2. F of x equal to pi by 2 quota, that's equivalent to a. Yes, at x equal to pi by 2, it is a. Okay, this is a. Now we need to find out this and this matter. First one, x is less than pi by 2. X is less than pi by 2. Is it correct? Say it, ma. Yes. What is that, ma? Say it. X is less than pi by 2 means what? Limit. Say all of you, please. Say all of you, yes.
Limit x tends to
pi by 2, please. Equivalent to what, yeah? Please tell this, ma. Please tell this. Limit. One of you tell, please. Arpit, tell me when x is pi by 2. Which one? Is it this or this or this?
Could you repeat that, sir?
So when x is less than pi by 2, whether we have to attend to this or this or this?
The first one.
First one, brilliant. First one. And so first one means, see, this is the first one, first one. Second, third one we attended, okay? So let us take first one, yes. First one is this, limit x tends to pi by 2 minus, and what is the function, Arpit, tell me, what is the function?
1 minus sine cube x divided by 3 cos square x.
X by 3 cos square x. Excellent, dear. Very nice. Thank you. Right. Now, I will ask my students now here. Yes. Mamati, tell me, dear, what is the next step, please? Tell me. Mamati. What do you do, ma, next step? Yes, ma, please tell.
we
Please.
want to substitute pi by 2 in place of x, sir.
No. See, yes, I tell you. Oh, please.
Sir, we can write a cube minus b cube formula, sir.
Krishna, come on, dear. You are rocking, my dear. You are rocking. See, Mamati, you are right, dear. You are right, but if you substitute x equal to pi by 2, if that is such a simple, then we need not work on that, right? We need not do anything. Yes, what will happen is that if I put x equal to pi by 2, 1 minus sine cube pi by 2, yes, excellent, whole divided by 3 cos square pi by 2. We know sine pi by 2 is 1, yes, sine pi by 2 is 1, right? And cos pi by 2 is what? 0. This is 1 minus 1, 0. And this is also 0, so 0 by 0, it's an indeterminate form. Write down here, 0 by 0, infinity by infinity, infinity minus infinity. Don't say infinity minus infinity is 0. No. Infinity minus infinity is indeterminate form. Infinity plus infinity is also indeterminate form. Please. Infinity power 0 is also indeterminate form. Yes. Please. Idellame What do you mean by indeterminate forms? Write down. Indeterminate. Indeterminate. Opposite of determinate. Determinate means what? You can make it, you can find it, you can say the value, please. So, you understand, Mamati? Right. You are right. Basically, we substitute it. If you get a determinant value, that is fantastic, my dears. No problem at all. Yes, I didn't tell that fact. If you get a determinant value, we will stop there itself. So therefore, the first thing one should do is substitute the value of x in the function. Suppose you get a value, you get a determinant value, you get a definite value, some number, you get some number, I said. You get, then you can conclude it. You can close that, okay? But here, you got an indeterminate form. Therefore, you have to manipulate the function. Therefore, you have to manipulate the function. Whenever you get an indeterminate form, what we shall do, please? Manipulate the function as per the mathematical rules. Manipulate the function as per mathematical rules, ma'am. Right? Come on, go for it. You are right, Mark. Take care. Okay, nice. Next, Hare Krishna has given a beautiful. This fellow is a dangerous fellow. Cos square x, denominator should not be 0. The damaging fellow is denominator. If the denominator is 0, what is happening? It is infinite. Yes or no? So, if you can suppose 0 numerator not a problem. Numerator 0 is not a problem. Suppose if I have avoided this, if I can avoid the 0 is a definite value. 0 can be the value, please. 0 can be the answer. 0 by 0 cannot be the answer. Therefore, how to avoid denominator as 0? How to avoid denominator as 0? Please solve the guys, all of you, please.
Yes, sir.
Right. Dears, now what Hari said is brilliantly. He said x tends to pi by 2 minus the a cube minus b cube minus. This is called a minus b. Wonderful part. A minus b. A square plus b square and plus ab ma. A and 1, b and sin x. So it's sin x. Yes. This is your denominator. Numerator now. Denominator 3 into cos square x is nothing but 1 minus sin square x. Cos square x is nothing but, I think I can speak with this voice. You will listen, right? You can listen. If I maintain this voice, can you listen, please, clearly?
No, sir.
No. Hey, Hari, what is this? You can't listen if I speak. All of you say this. Are you able to listen? Huh?
Sir, I told that husky voice, sir.
You are not able to hear that voice. Okay. No, I can't speak first of all. Okay. Cos square x, yes. Cos square x is nothing but what? 1 minus sin square x. No, my worry is that am I damaging your ears by shouting loud, okay? Am I hitting your decibel level? So I should not damage your hearing power by shouting louder. Am I doing that?
No, sir.
No, wonderful, nice. Friends, here 1 minus sin square x is nothing but 1 plus sin x and 1 minus sin x ds. That's a fantastic thing. Now we know. Come say some. We would have told some million times, my dears. In my lifetime, I would have told million times. Million times. Million and anapa. Million and anapa. 10 lakhs ma. Million and 10 lakhs ma. 1 million means what, dears? 10 lakhs. 1 billion and anapa. What is that, Mr. Hari? Billion means what, ma?
100 lakhs, sir.
Yes?
100 lakhs.
100 crores, my dear. 100 crores. That's why हमारा मोदी साहब always हमेशा बोलते हैं 1.3 billion years. 1.3 billion है ना भैया. 130 crores. That's why he say 1.3 billion देशवासियों. Please Do you see that? Have you ever see? Catch it, please catch it. Billion means what? 100 crore. Million times I would have told a square minus b square formula in my career, please. So what is that a square minus b squared? Yes, a plus b and a minus b. Yes. So this can be written as a square minus b square. Now it becomes a plus b and a minus b. This becomes 1 plus sin x into 1 minus sin x. Now you eat away this fellow, the damaging fellow. The enemy is gone. Now you substitute your pi by 2, Mamati ji. X equal to pi by 2 laga idhar. Please put it over there. X equal to pi by 2. Now you substitute, ma, please. What will happen? You see 1, 1 and 1. When you are substituting x equal to pi by 2, relieve the limit, ma, please. When you are substituting, relieve the limit. Yeah, I am going to put now x equal to pi by 2 here. Now the value of this is, which implies 1 plus sin pi by 2 is 1, 1 square is 1, sin x is 1 by 3 and 1 plus 1. Wow. That's called 3 by 3 into 2. That's called 1 by 2 ds. 1 by 2 ds. And what is the third one, ma? Third one is what ds? Third one is f of pi by 2. What is the answer, Akshaya? Tell me. F of pi by 2 is what here? F of, yes. Say it. Chumma girls, you people are shy people, okay? Say it properly. Somebody told already. Yes. What is that?
Yes, sir.
Yay, brilliant answer. Yay. Excellent. Don't eat away the words, okay? Please, come on. Open your mouths. Come on. Open your heads, okay? After all, we are all there, right? We have to share. The other day, Mamati mother had come to the parents' meeting. She is, I think, a very nice parent, I'll tell you. Of course, all parents are great. Otherwise, you wouldn't have been like this. I tell you, the whole credit goes to them. I really thank them and convey my pranams to them. You students are such a gems today here like this. We can understand what role they have played in your life. You are today such a gem. Some of them are amazing, okay? Amazing children, you're all. It is not just because of your sheer hard work alone. It is your parents who have guided you, my dears. Their service is, you can't measure it. You can't measure it. You can't value it. You can't quantify it. That's a quality. The parents do that. They played a role everywhere. They won. Every hour they are behind us. She was telling in the parents' meeting, I just tell you, I think she is aware of it. Mamati, you are aware of it, I think. Yes. Mostly, in our school days, we will be bit of shy. Okay, even my case is terrible. We are from rural background, village, okay, village school, English under the Now, I am fascinated for English. After my 10th standard, till 10th I was in Telugu medium. I want to do English medium. I was kind of fashion. Okay, English lo padikkaradhu or passion. So I took it in the 12th standard, 11th standard. I took English medium. Okay, so that's how it went. What is the story I'm discussing? What is the story I'm discussing? Parents. Oh, right. We are reluctant to speak, my dears. We have to speak. You have to see. Yesterday, Hari and myself were speaking. There is no student and teacher gap. There is no gap at all. We just laugh and talk, and that kind of intimacy we should have with teachers. The day you have such kind of intimacy, right, we will freely express our ideas, even in the classroom also. It should be a very good interaction should happen, please. That is missing, ma. Okay, but you are all answering it. Fantastic. We are not wasting our time. But that communication, that frankness, expression ability, that is today people are buying it, my dear, please. How to be frank, how to speak my mind? What is wrong in it? and you need to find a language to express it. Earlier we used to express in Tamil. Today we have to express it in English. Simple. All of you are capable. All of you are capable. You are gems, I am telling you, please. But slight orientation you do for your communication and start interacting freely, please. I tell you, interact freely, dears. Things will happen for us. Right. Coming to this 1 by 2, the first one is 1 by 2, dears. Second one, dear. Second one. Second one is limit x is a tough mark. Third one, third one is ரொம்ப easy. F of pi by 2, right? What is f of pi by 2, dears? A. Somebody told very clearly. X is pi by 2. F of pi by 2. X is pi by 2. F of pi by 2 equal to A. Yes. F of pi by 2 is A. Number 1. Number 2. We said that already these two are equal, right? These two are equal. This has given you 1 by 2. This has given you 1 by 2. This has given A. So A is 1 by 2. This is 1 and this is 3. So 1 equal to 3 ds, which implies A equal to 1 by 2 ma. Hamara 50% काम हो गया, right? Only B is remaining now, please. Come on, take till this ds. Take till this ds. Fast. Over, Bob.
Completed, sir.
Right, Bob. Right, so this one is pending, Mano. 2 is pending, Mano. Yeah. Second one, limit x tends to pi by 2 plus f of x. So the function is here. What is the function, my dears? Tell me. Aditya, what is the function here? Pi by 2 plus one? He is not there, I think. He is there. Aditya, tell me, dear. What is the function? My x is more than pi by 2. My pi by 2 plus means what? More than pi by 2. So the function is this one. Kapilan. Go ahead. These are my terrific one, please. Friends, the rule of the limits is that only x value should be inside, other things can be brought it out there. B under the constant, so you can bring out. Okay? Right. Anyway, so B I can bring it out. Fantastic. Done. But என்ன பண்றதுப்பா please, what to do please? X tends to pi by 2 plus ன்னு சொல்லிருக்காங்க. Friends, here x tends to pi by 2 plus this is nothing but x tends to pi by 2 plus h. Please understand this. plus இருக்கு இல்லையா pi by 2 கிட்ட கொஞ்சம் ஜாஸ்திமா. Please understand this ma, please. And let me explain this, okay? Is it clear or not? You said that pi by 2 plus, right? Pi by 2 plus means what ma? More than pi by 2, right? Little more than pi by 2, very close to pi by 2, but more than pi by 2. Is it not fair on my part to write plus h ma, please? Is it clear? All of you agree with me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Wonderful, dear. Now, x tends to pi by 2 plus h, can I write x minus pi by 2 tends to h ma, please? Yes or no? Bring it here. So you can write 2x minus p tends to 2h. 2h is called another h, you can write it. So 2x minus pi is 2h, right? 2h. Or summa write x minus pi by 2 itself is h, right? Now friends, you can rephrase this one. You can rephrase this limit like this ma, b. Limit x tends to pi by 2 plus can be written as, friends, x tends to pi by 2 plus can be written as h tends to 0. Because x minus pi by 2 tends to 0. Formula, please. X minus pi by 2 tends to 0. Therefore, h tends to 0, yes. 1 minus. Now, x ball, what can I write? Pi by 2 plus h formula. X ball, I can write sin pi by 2 plus h. Suddenly, we are changing the gas here formula. Okay? Right. Pi minus 2 into pi by 2 plus h. Whole square formula. Whole square. This is how beautiful it is. So far is clear, ma, please? Do you agree, dears?
Yes, sir.
Wonderful, wonderful. See, this is the ones with the clarity I okay. This is the next one. Next. This implies this, yes. Friends, now, please, such a beautiful one now, please. This expand it now. What do you get? The whole square line, please. Sin pi by 2 plus h equals what? What do you call sin pi by 2 plus h? Anybody? Hey, all of you tell the answer for this. I'm waiting for your answer. Once I ask you the question, immediate response should be there now, please. B. Limit h tends to 0. 1 minus not answer or no. Avantika, why the hell you are quiet? She is not there. Yeah, he's there.
Cos h, sir.
Cos h. Okay, thank you, dear. Thank you. Pi minus pi. Since 2 into pi by 2 is pi, and minus 2h minus 2h. Whole square, dear. Whole square. Is it okay? Pi cut, dear. Pi cut. Friends, if you are able to see the board, I'll write here one more step. Formula B, limit h tends to 0. 1 minus cos h. Can anybody tell this, ma? What is the formula for 1 minus cos h, ma? Please. In the formula, sir. Eppadi solra mudiyum, sir? Formula. In the square irukuma. I told you, please see. Sin x square by x square equal to 1 x square. If the sin of x square is there, denominator you should have a x square. Please understand this. Denominator is something like this. Sin of denominator is something like 4h square. Sin is expand limit h is denominator is minus 2h whole square. 4h square. The 4 constant. Okay, right. Okay, I am taking 4 out, yes. This is 4h square minus 2 square is 4h square. Clear? Yes. What is 1 minus the 4 b by 4 ds? Nice, very good. Suppose denominator is h square, now numerator should be sin h square ds. Please, yes or no, please? Please, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Sin square h ma. That's sorry, sin square h. Adhe nama sin h by h whole square is please. Okay, what? Right? Okay, enough. I will write on the top, yes. So what is this? Anybody can tell it, ma, please?
2 sin square h by 2, sir.
Brilliant, sir. Brilliant, sir. 2 sin square h by 2 ds. Amazing, ma. Amazing. Amazing. Right. Come on, take it, yes. Till this, you please take it. Yeah, I think whole mathematics is in this question itself, ma. Paranga. Over. Take it cool, please. I think today whole 1 hour is going for this question itself, I think, right? Is it, what is the time now? Oh my God, 37 minutes. First, till this clearly, come up, please. Idella theriyundala munnada edhirukkiradhu. I will make an arrangement for it within 2 days. I'll bring a tripod so that you can fix the mobile here and freely we can teach more. We can move freely and all the obstructions can be removed. Okay. Over, yes, over. So I think this slide you have already you got A is 1 by 2. Now we have to find out B. Okay, please. Friends, come back to this one now. The second one is equal implies b by 4 limit h tends to 0. This 2 will come up, right? 2 will be out. 4 already I took it out. 2 is outside. This 2 is outside. Limit h tends to 0. Sin square h by 2 is nothing but sin h by 2 whole square by h square. I can write, my dears, I can write this square and this square. See, one is x square, other one is y square. Can I write x by y whole square? Likewise now. So I'm going to write like this. I think nobody will have any objection for this. Yes or no, dears? Are we clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So in the next step, the 2 gets cut my here. So you get b by 2 limit h tends to 0 sin h by 2 by h. But what the limit function says is that the numerator is h square, denominator is also h square. Then h by 2 is please watch here. Now this 2 comes out, it becomes what? 2 square is what, mark? 4. So b by 4, வெளியே வருதுமா இந்த 4 limit எல்லாருக்கும் புரியுதாப்பா? Sin h by 2 by h by 2. Now it is the form of sin x by x. Sin x by x minus. Limit x tends to 0. So h tends to 0, h by 2 also equal to 1 ds. This is equal to 1 mark. So b by 8 into 1, that is called b by 8 ds. b by 8. Second one is b by 8. What is the third one, mark? Third one is equal to 1 by 2 ds, which implies, okay, is it second one? Yes, second one. Now friends, here 1 equal to 2 equal to 3 ds, correct? This is called half, this is called a, and this is called b by 8 mark. So connect these two, you get a is 1 by 2. Connect these two, you get b by 8 equal to 1 by 2, which implies b equal to 4 mark. Dears, please mark, please look at this mark. How amazing this question is. So beautiful, dears. Clear? Is it clear, ma? Are you able to take it?
Yes, sir.
Come on, come on. So these are the final answers for this. First time my life lo vandu ivula neat ah irukku about it. That's really very interesting. This is b by 8 into 1 now. This is 1, so it is called b by 8. This is number 2. Okay, 1 equal to 2 equal to 3 as per the definition of our continuity. Yes. So a b by 8 and 1 by 2. Aha. So cute. Okay. A and b are found. Ready for over? I think we have taken close to 42 minutes for this question, ma. ஒரே ஒரு question பாருங்க, 42 minutes for please. Right, shall I repeat over?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Right. See, but the videos are posted in our groups. Please watch it whenever you have. If you want to see it again, sir, ரெண்டாவது வாட்டி பார்க்க முடியாது சார், that is your choice. I don't say anything. Maybe, okay. I do like that. But if you want to really see what he has taught, is there any sense in that? நீங்க பார்க்கணும்னா, please watch the videos again. And I have improvised the continuity concept itself. I have improvised it. It's not that I'm saying, I'm boasting myself. No, I'm feeling very happy about the way I put forward the continuity. Okay, I never even planned for it. It just worked out. Things, if they work out just like that, that is really beautiful. Okay, you should not plan so much for it. I was planning, but it has worked out. What to say? Accidentally, so beautiful. So I never expected it would come out. When I was watching it, I was the continuity with graph. Okay. Function with graph, function without graph. Okay, then you must be able to build a graph. This is what I said, right? Function without graph, very difficult. Now you need to take a help of mathematical definition of the continuity. If there is a function and a graph, we don't require mathematical definition of the continuity. Yes, but for all the functions, we don't have We are not capable to draw the graph for all functions. நம்ம இன்னும் அந்த எஃபர்ட் போடல பாருங்க. We are not trying to graph. That's what I told you. Refer your GeoGebra app, download it and watch it and work with it for a few days now and then. Okay, whenever they say function, please implement it, my dears. What is this f of x equal to x square? X cube enna? F of x equal to x enna or line, x square enna or parabola, x cube enna இந்த மாதிரி both on the upstairs, I mean upper part and lower part, you will have some kind of a shape. So for everything there is a x squared minus x plus 3 enna adu eppadi varum? Parabola, super parabola will be there. It's not centered at x equal to 0. So all these things, right, once you realize the graphs, my dear, once you are able to visualize the graph of a function, that is you are in a, what say, you are in a video world, my dear. So everyone likes the video, right? Therefore, visualization of the function, mathematical function with a graph, that ability we should now get it. We should now get it. In our app, that app, what is that app called? GeoGebra app wonderfully works, my dears. If you want, I will show you in one of the classes. Screen share panitu, we can work out. We could see that magnanimousness of that app. Okay, it's a brilliant app, ma, please use that. Okay. And one more thing, ma, please, like kids, if you want to do matrix, app will come up. Matrix. I have been telling this for my 10th standard children, students, and you also, whenever you get a bore, how good I am at calculations. Okay, and just check on the matrix. You can also compete with me in speed. Okay, in speed, how fast we both are under the compete panavana. Please join with me. Okay, in matrix there is a 1-to-1 single vilayadla, double vilayadla, and you can compare with our speeds. Let us not go for the computer games. Instead, please come to mathematics. How quick I am in mathematics. Simple calculations in multiplication, square roots, squares, cubes, cube roots, percentages, decimal multiplications. So much of varieties are there. Please go to Matrix app, download it. Whenever you are getting bored of doing some nonsense of our 12th standard mathematics or anything, any subject, bored, time is there, but you are not able to kill it. So kill by means of matrix. Take up this app also. And also, I want to do one speed math class for video for students in general. Okay, I want to publish in YouTube channel. So one class I want to take before you, so that I can say I need some questions. Okay, if you ask the questions, how do I do it in faster way on the board and let it broadcast to all? Okay, so I will be conducting one class with you. It's not any 12th standard mathematics. You have to be my students and you need to ask me some questions. So on the மாதிரி நான் plan பண்ண போறேன், முன்னாடி நான் inform பண்றேன். Please be ready for it. Okay, some of you join. I don't want all. Okay, those who are willing to contribute for one video, right, for jumps of students like 8th standard, 9th standard, 6th standard even, if they see these videos and the speed mathematics, if they see it, at least one of them inspires with our effort. That's a great contribution to this nation, my dear. So please be a part of that contribution, contribute a little bit for it, at least. So attend as a student and ask the questions, and so that the class will be interactive, and even people who are viewing it will find it more attractive. Yes. So I'll call you for that sometime. I want to make one beautiful video on shortcuts. Okay, say how to find a cube root of a number, perfect cube number, how to find a square root of a big number, some 5 digit, 6 digit, 4 digit. Okay, and square of a number, 2 digit, 3 digit, 1 digit. How do you make it in a simplest way? Yeah, all these things. Suppose if you ask me the question I did in the class, right? This question I did in the class, right? 1024 into 1024. I made it so simple. Can anybody tell me what the answer for it? I have told in the class. Yes? Anybody? Do anybody remember it? யாரும் பேச மாட்டேங்குது. No, no anu solunga. That's all right.
No, sir.
Yes, sir. Anybody remember Harini?
No, sir.
No, sir. அது சொல்லலாமே சார். What yes, but 10 and 10, this you write this 10, 24 plus 24, 48, and 24 and 24 is 576. No, pardon. Same thing you write it. 24 plus 24, 48. 24 plus 24, 48. This is 24 into 24, 576. No, such a simple word, yes. This is 104 into 104, yes. I can explain the reason also why we are doing it. We can give a reason. So, plenty of things are there like this. One more thing, like suppose 102 into 103 into 104 into 105 plus 1. Come on, anybody? What is the answer, please? Quickest answer, please. Quickest answer. That's it now. Plus 1, right? Plus 1. That's it. 107, double 1 is the answer for this notice. இது பாருங்க எத்தனை நம்பர்ஸ் இருக்கு 1 2 3 4 5 இந்த நாலு மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணி 1 ஆட் பண்ணி ஸ்கொயர் ரூட் பண்ணோம் பட் ஐ மேட் இட் சோ சிம்பிள் 105 into 102 is nothing but 107 10 இந்த மாதிரி 102 into 105 ma okay you add 105 plus 2 is 1024 is what ma 1048 okay 1024 plus 24 for same 5 plus 2 is 7 ma 107 and 5 into 2 is 10 that's all 107 10 and plus 1 is the add 1 that is the answer you can check with calculator anybody is having a calculator please check it yes am I correct or not 107 11 yeah final answer is it correct please anybody Hari can you check it square root of 102 103 104 105 plus 1 is it correct or not ma please somebody those who are having calculator in the hand or this mobile itself try to use it and tell me is it correct is it correct or not yeah okay right okay so I think we completed only one question but still some more concepts are there I just introduce you some more concepts here how to do the remaining questions under the question mark okay friends take down few concepts number 1 all polynomial functions are continuous all polynomial functions are continuous what do you mean by polynomial functions something like a1 x power n plus a2 x power n minus 1 இதெல்லாம் தெரியாது சும்மா எதுக்கு சொல்றது இந்த மாதிரி தான் p of x equal to ax square plus bx plus c இந்த மாதிரி x plus c or x plus 2 linear polynomial quadratic polynomial cubic polynomial so all polynomial functions are continuous you need not work on them you need not use a mathematical definition you can say this statement here all polynomial functions are continuous adukku or proof irukudhu adu based adu vandu nama use பண்றோம் அவ்வளவுதான் say that by theorem all polynomial functions are continuous number 1 number 2 f of x equal to mod x is continuous do you see that in the till this so from a to b or minus a to a so from here you start you can comfortably travel till this point without lifting your pen hence it is a continuous modulus function is also continuous yes number 3 in the concept mattu note panikonga so that we can attack the remaining questions now number 3 all polynomial functions are continuous, and f of x is mod x is also continuous. Even all constant functions are continuous. Y equal to 3, f of x equal to 2, f of x equal to minus 2. எல்லாமே continuous functions. Okay? F of x equal to f of minus 2. How do you draw it, ma? That means y equal to 2 ds. This one. Is it not continuous? Any problem? Or is it not continuous? Any problem? No. Parallel to x-axis. It is a continuous line now. Okay, no breaks. Therefore, all constant functions are continuous. Yes. Number 3. All constant functions are continuous. Right. Number 4, yes. Number 4. Please watch here. Next is the very beginning. Algebra of continuous functions. Algebra of continuous functions. Yaro retire aayirukanga, only 8 people are there. Okay. Yeah. Done, yes. Algebra of, what is this algebra of continuous functions? There are two functions now. One is f of x and other one is g of x here. Two functions are with us. Friends, if f of x is continuous and g of x is continuous, and I put tick mark here, they are continuous now. Then f of x plus g of x is also continuous. Please understand this. Not only plus, minus, multiplication, division, all of them are continuous functions. Yes. 4.0. F of x plus, if f of x and g of x both are continuous, then f of x plus g of x is continuous. F of x minus g of x is continuous. Product is continuous and quotient is continuous. Provided, number 1 is f of x plus g of x is continuous. Number 2, f of x minus g of x is continuous. If f of x and g of x are continuous. Okay? Idella neenga paakala textbook, you can see it now, please. Then third one, f of x into g of x is continuous now. And number 4, f of x by g of x is continuous now. Right. Another point, fifth one, this f of x and g of x, another model f of fog and graph. Fog and graph. Okay. If g is continuous, f of g is also continuous, then fog is also continuous. Fog and f of g of x. Okay? F of g of x. What condition? G of x should be continuous. Then f of g of x is also continuous, means then we say that fog is continuous. Graph also similar. So these things are our algebra of continuous functions. Now let us come in a reverse map. Suppose if one of them is not continuous, Damal, okay? No, you can't say. If one of both, if f of x and g of x both are continuous, please understand this. Both are continuous. Then only you could say this. If one of them is not continuous, not. That's all. Yes. Clear? Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Right. So shall I repeat, ma? And it's we can see the questions in the afternoon. I wind up the session. I will wind up our continuity by today evening, ma. And you can submit. I like it. I like your class. Most of them have submitted, particularly Hare Krishna, first one to submit, Mamati, Harini, Akshaya. I think all of these, even Mateshwar, I think, Madesh has submitted. Brilliant, Ma. Very nice. Thank you very much. I gave a huge work. Yet you people have submitted. Okay. You see my 11th standard. Out of 28, only 18 were submitted. Of course, 18 were submitted. 9 of them are not there. They didn't see 9 of them. That's a tragedy, please. So I gave a serious warning. Okay? 18 submitted and 9 or 10 not submitted. I gave a serious warning to the parents and even to the. It all depends on the parents also, Ma. If both are fantastic, nobody can stop it. All your dreams will be become reality, my dears. Dreams will become reality, provided both the child and parent and teacher, the triangle, please. The triangle, okay? Teacher, student, and parent. The triangle is in sync or cohesion, please. If these three are in working partnership should be there, then miracles will happen in student life, please. So I hope it's done, Ma. Tomorrow we will see it again. Sorry, today evening, same time, dears. I'll come at what time do you want the class, Ma? Tell me.
12 o'clock, sir.
You want at 12 o'clock? Okay, dears. I'll do that. 12 o'clock. Nice. 10 to 11 in the class. 11 to 12 venuma. Okay. 12 to 1 venum, right? We will do that. Not an issue, please. Right. G of x is not equal to 0. That's there always, right? Rational function. That's all, dears. I think we'll wind up. Thank you very much for attending the session and listening to me. I hope the class was interesting or what? Not interesting. What is the story, please?
It is interesting, sir.
Very good. Thank you. Thank you all. Thank you all.